Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto medo dok ne okang' mar keto omenda ma ing'ado jotije ma pacho ka endie ni gedo mag ute ma nengogi oyueyo kendo tiyo gi omenda go e chenro mamoko mag dongruok. Ma endi biro bang' riwruok jotije kotu kod moko kuom josiasa maketo piny owacho tesre seyo okang' ma kamano.
Housing is not just 4 walls and a roof. Housing, according to the UN, it must give dignity. It must be sustainable. It must be livable. And that's why roads are necessary. Social infrastructure is necessary. Hospitals are necessary, schools and markets. And we will continue to engage with stakeholders so that they can understand.
It doesn't make sense for us to build houses, blocks of buildings, without the necessary accompanying infrastructure by way of civil works. Where need be, we are digging boreholes within the project area. We are doing cabro works to clear the spaces. We are providing sufficient access roads and lighting.